Coming up this season on The Bachelorette.
Hi, I'm Natalie, and I'm so excited to be The Bachelorette.
So what do you want in a guy?
Someone I could really settle down with and just have a nice big family, I guess.
I just think you're the one for me.
What are you doing?
Just studying you.
Hi, my name's Nathaniel. I'm looking for a pretty nerdy girl. My glasses! Yeah.
I'm gonna win this.